Hello, Miss Lolita. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Kindly introduce yourself.
Sir, madam, I am Lolita Gorlan, 39 years old, married and have 3 children, ages of 11, 9, and 13 years old. And I work as domestic helper for 5 years in Cyprus, and I serve 3 members of the family.
Okay. What you did not renew your contract with your previous employer?
Because I want to earn more money.
What is your main duties from your previous employer?
General cleaning, madam, sir.
Okay. May we know the ages of the children you take care of, Miss Lolita?
Sir, madam, 13 years old and 15 years old.
Okay. Can you handle taking care of another child?
Yes, sir, madam.
Can you offer tutorial for the child?
Yes, sir, madam.
Give at least 3 lessons you can teach for them.
I teach them for math, English, and art subjects.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery rhyme for the children?
Yes, sir, madam.
Kindly sing us for now.
Madam, sir, I have the love of Jesus, sweet and marvelous, the love of Jesus, sweet and marvelous, the love of Jesus, sweet and marvelous, oh, oh, wonderful love.
Okay. Can you manage care a newborn baby?
Yes, sir, madam.
Do you know how to bath the baby?
Yes, sir, madam.
Okay. Are you willing to get up early and sleep at night to attend the baby's needs?
I love madam, sir.
Okay. Do you promise to love the baby of your future employer as your own?
Yes, sir, madam. I promise to love them as my family and my kids too.
Okay. Are you willing to take your day off not on Saturday or Sunday, Miss Lolita?
Yes, sir, madam.
Do your husband or your parents allow you to work abroad?
Yes, sir, madam.
Do you promise to finish your contract and extend your stay if your employer wants you to stay?
Yes, sir, madam.
Okay, Miss Lolita, kindly give us your last message for your future employer before we end.
Sir, madam, if you hire me as a domestic helper in Hong Kong, I want to finish my contract in your country, and I do my best and my duties and my responsibilities.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Lolita, and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Before we end, kindly show us your best smile.
Thank you, sir, madam.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
thank you for coming.